The future is coming at us faster than ever. Think about how fast the music industry went from vinyls to cassette tapes to CDs to iPods to streaming. Back in the 1960s, it was a big deal for a family to have a color TV in their house. Not too long ago, the futuristic idea of talking to your friends and family face to face through a phone or device was just a gimmick in movies such as Star Trek and Austin Powers. Now, FaceTime's available on practically every phone and device. The first iPhone was released in 2007. Barely 15 years later, this technological innovation has made leaps and bounds far beyond what was thought to be impossible. It doesn't stop there, though. The world as we know it is about to change forever. In the next 10 years, augmented reality is going to change the way people interact with the world, and the metaverse is going to be commonplace for everyone. It won't happen overnight, but it's important to learn everything you can about this future world now. So by the time we're inside the Matrix, we'll know how to use it to our advantage. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to go deeper into crypto, make sure to check out bitlabacademy.com. In this video, we're going to discuss recent developments with augmented reality, how it ties into the metaverse, and how this can impact your portfolio. Thanks to virtual reality technologies such as Oculus or Vive, we can immerse ourselves inside of the virtual worlds like never before. Think of almost any activity, and it's possible in VR. We can already fly airplanes, play sports, battle our friends online with lightsabers, and even kill zombies. It's getting closer and closer to the real thing every second that goes by. Right now, it looks a little strange wearing a toaster on your head, just like the change over time from desktops to laptops to mobile phones. In due time, the computational power of VR glasses will get larger as the design gets sleeker. Keep in mind, augmented reality is different from virtual reality. With VR, you're inside of a different world, like in a video game. With augmented reality, by wearing a special pair of glasses, the normal world around you is altered with images or holograms that are superimposed on top of what you already see. In a matter of time, the metaverse, which is easily explained as a 3D version of the internet, will be indistinguishable from reality. An early example of augmented reality took the world by storm in July of 2016, when you could catch a Pikachu in your backyard or a Squirtle in your living room. Pokemon Go, possibly one of the most popular games ever created, opened the Pandora's box into the world of AR. Think of all the possibilities that branch from this idea. Say you're out to eat and you don't know what to order, like shown in this tweet from Vala Afshar. You can use augmented reality to get a visual representation of everything on the menu to decide what looks good to eat. BMW already has a program where you can see what it would look like to have any new make and model in your own driveway. You can even change the color. Eventually, the windshields of our cars will have augmented reality technology to help improve our vision when it's dark, point out things we might not see coming, and consequently save lives. The implications with shopping are really dazzling. Using smart mirrors, like the ones starting to roll out at H&M locations across the country, you can try on any outfit in the store without having to physically get changed. Who likes getting naked in a store? There's already numerous furniture websites where you can design the interior of your own house to see what this couch would look like in the living room or what that table would look like in the kitchen. The real-world use cases of this technology goes much further than buying a new car or deciding what to eat for dinner. Doctors can use augmented reality to show their patients a 3D hologram of exactly what is going on inside of their body in order to better explain how to help them improve their health or condition. Medical students will be able to simulate surgeries. Kids in school, especially visual learners, will be able to use this technology to assist their education. Teachers can use holograms to teach geometry, anatomy, chemistry, etc. Possibilities are virtually endless. There are also recent breakthroughs in robotic research that are going to impact this ecosystem as well. As shown in this tweet from Eric Zhang, they are working on full haptic exoskeletons that can be used to intelligently interact with a virtual world where you can feel what you're touching. This will also have a massive impact on social media. Using augmented reality glasses like the Ray-Ban stories from Meta or the tech specs from Google, you'll be able to record and stream your daily life from your own point of view. You'll be able to hang out with your friends wherever you are in the world, and it will be like you're really together. This will make it possible to have business meetings from the comfort of your very own home. You can kick it with your friends, watch videos, share ideas. Art, as we know it, will become much more immersive as well. As shown in this tweet from Fariz Hanapia, AR murals are innovating how to create and interpret art and take it to the next level. Imagine what Instagram is going to be like when 2D becomes 4D. We'll also have a completely new interactive experience watching sports like baseball and football. In the future, we'll be able to watch the games happening live on TV, so we're standing on the field ourselves. Imagine watching the Braves turn a double play from the point of view of the shortstop, watching Matt Ryan throw a touchdown from the eyes of a referee and figure out where in the world they'll call the pass interference. Now that's what I call a game changer. Change your reality and smash that like and subscribe button. That puts you in the BitSquad and gets you in the loop on the latest in crypto, NFT, and metaverse news. But Ben, I don't care about holograms of French fries or freedom fries and cars. I want to make money. Don't worry, I got you. Since the world we live in is going to become completely digital, the currency that's going to be used to exchange our goods and services is going to complement the metaverse. We're not inside the matrix quite yet, but you can already start accumulating that currency right now. Why is it that when most of the crypto market is in red, that all the metaverse coins on KuCoin are up 20 to 40%? It's happening because people are catching on to the indisputable fact that the metaverse is the logical next step for the evolution of our society. We're not going to be able to hand avatars physical fiat currency. In the future, we'll be using coins like Sand, Mana, Engine, Block, and all the other metaverse coins to pay for our virtual adventures. Listen, Mark Zuckerberg wouldn't completely rebrand a $971 billion company unless he knew for a fact he was betting on a sure thing. According to research by Zion Market Research, the global augmented reality market accounted for $17.14 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach $128 billion by 2028, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 29% from 2021 to 2028. The AR industry is going to far exceed the market cap of the VR industry by a long shot. Because of the not-so-distant future, the world as we know it is going to evolve into the metaverse. We have a unique opportunity right here and now to begin accumulating the currency for this meta future way before we immerse ourselves in there for the first time. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. If you don't believe me, on January 1st, Sand was trading for just over 3 cents, and this month reached an all-time high of $4.61. That's over 11,000% returns. Some serious gains. This is all happening merely in the developmental stage. I implore the members of the BitSquad to keep a close eye on the news, recent developments of AR in the metaverse. Several Fortune 500 companies are going to be in a space race to set the standard for the future. Pay close attention to who is partnering with who, the trends and tendencies of the coins currently front-running the metaverse, as well as the new coins coming up trying to make an impact as well. This new interactive future is going to grow exponentially in a short amount of time. Comment below with the AR project that's got you the most excited. The more informed you are now, the better off you'll be the first day you step foot into the metaverse. That's all I got. Be blessed. Way out.